everyone, Gil here at GrayManPrepping. On this episode of Your Prep for Today, I want to talk to you about music. But before we get into that, I'd just like to remind those that haven't had a chance to subscribe yet, this site, there it is. Click that little red button down that says subscribe, and then pound the thumbs up, so help me out YouTube's analytics. All right, music. This is another one of the odds and ends ones where it's not just cubbyhole. We're talking about music that both you make and you listen to. So people say, I don't make music. Well, hey, maybe you ought to try learning how to make some music. If the balloon goes up, the end of the world as we know it happens, the poop has hit the fan and it's a 20-year reset. Music is a very, very important part of morale building. All right. Yeah, you can have music that you listen to. You can have your little MP3 players, with all your music on it. You can have your cassette tapes. You can have your old vinyl records. You can have digital on your computer. Whatever, you have a lot of music to listen to. But kids love to make music on their own. So why do you think they go around banging on pots and pans? I'm a drummer, I'm playing. Kids love making music of different type things. And they'll sing to themselves as they're doing stuff. As they're playing whatever. All right. You need to develop their interest in music. And you might want to develop your own. Simple little flutes. A guitar. Kids just play around and strum on a guitar. You can pick up a banjo cheap at a thrift shop. Don't get mad, parents. Little trumpet. A flute. Regular side flute. Piccolo. Fife. Whatever you want to call them. All right. Different things that kids can learn to make music on. And you might be able to learn to make some music on too and do things together as a family. If you have a piano is probably the best musical instrument around because you can have all sorts of sheet music for it, for all types of music, whether it's classical, rock and roll, whatever. There's music for it. I love some of the good old Scott Joplin jazz music, The Entertainer. Yeah. So there's a lot of different things you can do with a piano, and teaching a kid to play the piano, make it fun. Don't make it a chore. Don't make them get over there, practice their scales endlessly so they don't like it. Make it fun. Work with them. Play with them. All right? So as always, stay happy no matter what life throws at you. Stay safe. Don't do anything foolish. Keep on prepping, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.